In this quick tutorial, we are going to create a sitemap for HighLevel Techie and going to submit this to Google Search Console. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go into your settings under your sub account and find domains tab. Then you can see all your domains that you have. And we are going to go to find highleveltechie.com and select the XML sitemap here. If you look at www version of it, you will see that there is no XML version because this is a redirect. It's not the domain that you set up. So the actual domain we set up is the first one, highleveltechie.com. If it is different for you, you would see the option under your www version instead of the root domain. So all you have to do is find that XML sitemap here. In this case, it is at the root domain, and click on XML sitemap and select the website that you want to select. Here I've selected the website. Then I have the option to select or deselect the pages that I have. So in this case, I want all 3 pages to be selected. Sometimes you might have pages that you don't want to be indexed. In that case, you can deselect them by unchecking this box. So in my case, I want all 3, and I click proceed and generate and save. So this is my new sitemap. All I have to do is copy this link address and click OK. So now we are going to go to Google Search Console. If you can't find it, just search for Google Search Console and you will get to a place like this. And under Google Search Console, what you have to click is Sitemaps. When you click a Sitemaps, you have an option to add a new sitemap if you haven't added any. So in this case, we haven't added any, so we are going to submit this link that we copied from HighLevel and click submit. In a couple of seconds, you will see this pop-up sitemap submitted successfully. And all you have to do is just wait and Google do its magic. So that's how easy it is to add your sitemap to Google Search Console. And after a few days, we will come back and look at this, and then we would have more data and Google would be hopefully indexed the website. So this is how you can index your GoHighLevel websites or funnels using Google Search Console. If you have any questions, please let me know. So that's all for today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.